Hello, guys. Today I am going to share with you Muzata top 5 products. If you're struggling with what you need for your cart, then you can't miss what's coming up. This video will help you build your cable railing project quickly and perfectly. To help you further, there are timestamps and links to all the products in the description. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is Invisible Swage Lag Screw Tensioner. The invisible railing tensioner for 1/8 inch cable railing on wood posts. The flattened tail design hides the swaged end for a clean look while meeting the code. Reasons to buy? Completely invisible. If you want the appearance to look like nothing, this is the best railing tensioner for wood posts. One post corner solution. The compact body allows the use of 2 invisible ground bolts on corner posts from 4 inches by 4 inches to 10 inches by 10 inches. Cornering can be accomplished with only one post. Reusable and multi-angle flexibility dash. Want to remeasure or rebuild a cable railing system? Simply replace the aluminum ferrule and reuse it. It could also work on both level and angled sections without angled washers. One thing you need to consider before purchasing is that it is only suitable for use on wood posts. Let's talk about the 4th place product, which is LED Aluminum Lights Black Handrail. This is a 6 feet 6 inches powder-coated black lighted handrail made of high-quality aluminum. Its innovative design is compatible with LED lights, providing warm illumination. Reasons to buy? Nighttime safety. The illuminated handrail, featuring integrated LED lighting, emits a soft yet effective glow, ensuring clear visibility on stairs or decks even in low-light outdoor conditions. Kid and pet friendly. Don't worry about kids and pets touching the LED strip directly. Our illuminated handrails are protected by diffuser cover. Easy cutting. Aluminum is easy to cut and great for a variety of indoor and outdoor projects. Please remember that our LED handrails do not include light strips. You will need to purchase your own LED strips and cut them yourself. Ranked grid is 36-inch level drilled post. The 36-inch pre-drilled posts are made of T304 stainless steel for excellent corrosion resistance. Reasons to buy? Suitable for any environment. This post goes with both indoor and outdoor projects and is a versatile guy. Pre-drilled post. What saves the most time and effort is that the holes are already drilled. Beginner friendly. Weldless design. No complex welding required, easily secured with high-quality bolts and screws to ensure a strong and safe connection at the installation points. It should be noted that it is not suitable for commercial residences. Runner-up is the all-in-one complete cable railing kit. This is Muzata's newest all-in-one complete cable railing kit. Say goodbye to the hassle of picking and matching components, and buy the whole kit for easy installation. Reasons to buy? Includes all components and tools. This railing kit includes all that is needed for installation. Simple purchase and installation. Each component is carefully designed and matched to be both aesthetically pleasing and easy to install. Suits different needs. The kit comes with multiple installation options, materials, and length choices, ensuring a perfect match for any home design. Here are some things to consider before purchasing. First, note the range of lengths, including 6.5 feet, 13 feet, 19.5 feet, and 26 feet. Second, all kits posts are 36 inches high. Our top service is customized cable railing solutions. We offers a complete free design service to help you create the ideal railing solution for your space. Reasons to buy? Over 10 years experience professional team. We are a team of professionals with over 10 years of experience in providing the most sensible solutions for your customized designs. 2 to 3 days fast quote and design. Want to get a quick quote for your railings? This is the best option, especially for those in a hurry for their project. One-stop solution, worry-free throughout. This service is also the easiest option for you. All you have to do is fill out the quotation and wait for the designer to contact you. There is only one key point. Make sure to submit full quote request form. For example, provide your project sketch, project field photos or videos. Well, the top 5 products have been shared. Whether you're in need of a product to enhance your home or looking for a more secure solution, we've got you covered. The best news is that we currently have a Black Friday sale going on at the moment, which is Muzata's biggest event of 2024, so don't miss out. If you have any questions, let us know below in the comments section, and thanks for watching.